In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Figma. To get started, open your design so you can see the text, icons, or buttons you'd like to make interactive. We'll begin with text because that's the most direct way to add a link in the editor. And then we'll move on to images, shapes, and buttons using a quick prototype setup. To hyperlink text, first select the exact text you want to turn into a link. The fastest method is the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl-K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. A field will appear where you can paste or type your URL. Confirm it, and your text is now linked. If you already have a URL on your clipboard, here is an even quicker approach. Just select your text and press Ctrl-V or Command+V, and Figma will apply the pasted URL as the link to that selected text. You can also add a link directly from the interface if you prefer clicking over shortcuts. With the text layer selected, look for the Create Link icon, the small chain link, in the top toolbar or in the right side Properties panel. Click it. Paste your URL and you are done. All three options do the same thing, so choose the one that fits your workflow. As a small tip, use complete URLs including HTTP or HTTPS to avoid any broken links. Next, let's hyperlink icons, shapes, or buttons. In the editor, Figma doesn't support the same Ctrl or Command+K flow for non-text objects. Instead, you'll add an interaction in prototype mode. Select the object you want to make clickable, then switch to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. In the Interactions section, click the plus icon to create a new interaction. Set the trigger to on-click, so the action fires when someone clicks the object. For the action, choose Open Link. Paste your URL into the field that appears. This tells Figma to open that address whenever the object is clicked during a prototype. When you've added your links, head to Present View to make sure everything works as expected. Present View gives you an interactive preview, so click your link text and your interactive objects to confirm they open the correct pages. This is the most reliable way to verify behavior and catch any typos or outdated URLs before sharing your design. That's it. Thanks for watching.